Table 210.21b3 and Table 210.24 of the National Electrical Code address the installation of receptacles on branch circuits. Specifically, these tables clarify whether 15-ampere receptacles can be installed on 20-ampere circuits. The answer is yes, 15-ampere receptacles can be installed on 20-ampere circuits, and this applies to all branch circuits, including small appliance branch circuits, laundry circuits, and bathroom receptacle circuits. Table 210.21b3 provides the key guidance. It states that receptacles installed on 15 or 20 ampere branch circuits must have an ampere rating not less than the branch circuit rating. This means that a 15 ampere receptacle is permitted on both 15 ampere and 20 ampere branch circuits. There's no restriction preventing this practice. Table 210.24 reinforces this understanding. It specifies that bathroom receptacle outlets must be supplied by a 20 ampere branch circuit. Since 15 ampere receptacles are allowed on 20 ampere circuits per Table 210.21b3, it logically follows that 15 ampere receptacles can be used in bathroom receptacle circuits. The reasoning extends to small appliance branch circuits and laundry circuits as well. These circuits are also required to be 20 ampere circuits and dwelling units. Therefore, the same principle applies and 15 ampere receptacles are permissible on these circuits. The National Electrical Code does not differentiate between general-purpose branch circuits and small appliance, laundry, or bathroom receptacle circuits in this regard. The requirement is that the 15 ampere receptacles must be protected by a 20 ampere circuit breaker or fuse. This ensures that the circuit is properly protected from overcurrent conditions. It's important to note that while 15 ampere receptacles are permitted on 20 ampere circuits, the inverse is not true. You cannot install 20 ampere receptacles on 15 ampere circuits. The receptacle rating must be equal to or greater than the branch circuit rating. The purpose of this rule is to allow for flexibility in receptacle selection while maintaining safety and preventing overloading of the circuit. It allows for the connection of multiple low-power devices to a 20 ampere circuit through 15 ampere receptacles as long as the total load does not exceed 20 amperes. In summary, the National Electrical Code permits the installation of 15 ampere receptacles on 20 ampere branch circuits, including small appliance, laundry, and bathroom circuits. This is based on the requirements outlined in Table 210.21b3 and Table 210.24, which ensure that the receptacles are adequately protected by the circuit breaker or fuse. This practice provides flexibility in receptacle selection and allows for the connection of multiple low-power devices to a 20 ampere circuit. Remember to always consult the latest edition of the National Electrical Code and local amendments for the most up-to-date requirements and to ensure compliance with all applicable regulations. Electrical work should always be performed by qualified and licensed electricians to ensure safety and proper installation. The code is a comprehensive set of rules designed to protect people and property from electrical hazards. Understanding and adhering to these rules is essential for all electrical work.